Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Edifier WH500 noise reducing headphones and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might want to do this reset for a couple reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If the headphones will not connect to Bluetooth or they will not pair with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you're having any kind of issues like that, a good troubleshooting step is to do a hard reset. The other reason is if you just want to clear all of the devices out of the pairing history of the headphones and start fresh by connecting them to a new set, we can do that quite easily. All we need to do is to come in and our headphones need to be powered on. And while they're powered on, we're going to come in and we're going to press and hold the volume up and volume down buttons simultaneously for 6 seconds. The indicator light will begin to blink white when the reset is taking place, and they will power off and back on and automatically enter a new pairing mode once the reset is complete, and you can go ahead and pair them as a new device.